guys, I'm here in my CAD room. I thought I'd show you something that's really cool with my Super Surface. It's my copper clad. It's a fiberglass sheet, a PC board basically, with the real heavy 1 ounce copper on it, both sides. And we've kind of custom built them to fit on the 300 and the 500 Creality CR10s. There's also other sizes available. There's a lot of other printers coming out, CR10 clone and CR10 style, gantry style printers. And I just thought I'd show everybody how easily these things come off. So we're going to focus in. This print just finished up. Well, it's warm, but it's not hot anymore. But I just wanted to show you how this comes off. We're going to remove the surface. It's a nice print. Good example of this because it covers the whole sheet. Okay, and we just flex it a little bit. You hear it cracking off. Okay, here's another big print going on my 5S. These will release with a little twist, a little crack when these are done. By the way, these are vacuum form tooling for my stinger. If you receive one of my stingers, you will get them in a attractive box with a plastic divider that all of the parts fit into these little pockets here. That's what these are. They're made for vacuum form tool, and you can see it as it's being made right here. This is another really neat thing about 3D printers. You can just about do anything with them. And we'll give you an update on this when this finishes up. You crack these things loose. Hey guys, it's day number 2, and I thought I'd show you something on my Super Surface here. I didn't get a chance to show you in the original video. I posted another one taking some of these vacuum form molds off of my smaller machine, my 300 by 300. I've got an S5 over here, and we're going to remove those from the 500 by 500 Super Surface. And it's real simple. I didn't show this in the original video. I usually do a lot smaller parts, but this is a large part, and a lot of guys have trouble taking stuff off large parts. This had hairspray on it. Basically, it was just overspray from the rest of the stuff, the small parts that I use hairspray on, but I'm going to show you right now how that works. So check this out. Okay, take the clips off. One thing I failed to mention also earlier, just get as many clips as you can around the edges of it. The proper way to do this is to bow it down in the middle, so that when you set it on the table, it kind of wraps itself down flat on the table, and it won't deform your parts. It'll fit flat to whatever's underneath it. I probably have a shim underneath this too. Nope, straight on the heating bed. So here's this is cooled off, and this will not permanently bend your sheet. Just get your hand underneath it, rip it right off. That's it. It just took some hairspray with it. You can see how nice the bottom is. Right here, that is the build sheet. And if you look at these, you'll see how nice and flat. If you look at these, you'll see how nice and flat they are to each other. Almost no seam to them at all. Right there. So gives you some idea of no warpage or anything on here. It's just a beautiful thing. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that little trick, guys. And thanks everyone who's purchased one of these. Thanks for supporting me, and it just keeps getting better and better. Thanks, guys. All right, we'll talk to you soon.